Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a look at our new doll that's coming along. She's gonna be so cute, a little Cupid that has bow and arrow behind her and is about ready to shoot her arrow at someone, right? So that's what she's doing. I'm gonna be getting her finished up tonight, at least with the sculpting. I just wanted to show you what we've got coming. She still needs her little belly button. A lot of brush work at this point, but we're kind of getting a pose in there, and I think it'll be really cute, and it'll give us a chance to work with when there's an S-curve and a twist in the body. So hopefully you'll enjoy this. Just wanted to give you a little sneak peek so you can know what's coming up. And just also wanted to let you know I'm getting more and more things listed in the Ko-fi shop as we go, and I'm also working on getting a new storefront too. So thank you so much for your support and encouragement. And I hope you enjoy the sculpting projects I have for you.